Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about Shopify Trade Theme, and we are going to take a look on what this theme is all about. And by the end of the video you will pretty much have a good understanding and get to make a decision if this theme will actually meet your business needs. So yeah, let's jump straight into this video and so we can learn more about this theme. Okay, so we are on the trade theme, and this is a free theme. It's a professional theme specifically designed for wholesale. So if you're in the wholesale business, then this theme is for you, because you don't have to pay tons of money to just have a wholesale section on your Shopify store. So let's go ahead and click here, view demo store. So this is how trade theme is looking like, and one of the cool thing is this theme is great for high volume stores, and this is also only for members only. Let's start by looking on the announcement bar section here. The announcement bar is pretty much simple, straightforward, just like other regular Shopify themes. And over here, this is where on the main menu, this is where you can put your store logo, and we have a section where you can shop all, and this is the drop down menu where you can shop everything that you have in your store. So this is a wholesale type of theme, so you can list all type of different collections that you have in your store. And over here they have different marketing resources, and this one here is become a wholesale partner. So this is exclusive for people who want to sell in for people who wants to buy a big amount of products or items that they could actually sell. They need to become a partner for them to have an access to all these cool features. So for your customer to have an access to your online store, they need to have a membership, because this theme is pretty much designed for members only stores. So people need to have membership to have an access to all the products you have in here, and they can purchase them. And again, the theme is designed for the store that process a large number of transactions in a given period of time. And then over here we have a regular search bar section and an add to cart, and this is the banner image section where you can add your banner image and the header and the call to action. Pretty much it's like straightforward, just like regular other Shopify theme like Down, as this trade theme is a foundation of a Down theme. So nothing new except that this is for only for wholesale type of business. And also if you want membership inside your store, then this theme is perfect for that. So if we go down here, we have another section where you can add announcement bars. So for example here, no orders, no order minimums, and exclusive pricing and dedicated support. So this is like one of the other announcement bar section that you have here. So they have like two different announcement bar section. Okay, now if we scroll down here, we have a section where each showcase the best seller product. So you can showcase your best seller product. If you scroll, you can see all of these products here. You can see the title of the product, the prices, and the volume. It also tells you like the volume pricing is available, so you can add for example here you can choose different options if it has like different color swatches or different styles, different colors. You can choose options like what color do you want and how many quantities you want. So when you add there, they'll be added in your cart, so you can pick which color you want to actually buy, and they will all be added into the shopping cart here. And also down here, over here you'll see different prices per each items, and this will be your variant total. So you got here like 12 pieces, and maybe we want 13 pieces here. You will see the quantity, the variant total per each variant that you want to pick. And then this will be your subtotal here, and this you'll be able to view to cart. You can remove all if you don't want, and this is the number of your total item that will be there. And also it will give you some information about the whole amount of the product, and if there is any taxes, discount, they'll all be calculated at the checkout. And if we scroll down, you'll see all the different variants that are available there. And another thing you can do if you want to view full details about this product, so let's click here, full detail, and this is showcasing how the product is actually going to look like. how the product images and the description. So this is the title, and this is the price range, and this is the description. And you can also see like different features of the product. If you like click this drop down menu, you can see all the information about the product feature, materials, and things like that. I like this because you can have this like a drop down menu on your product section, which is really cool. And these other product images, you can also like view them in a bigger picture, on a smaller picture, and things like that by just tapping it. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the variants that are available, and you can see all total items. Like whenever you add them, you'll see them here, and as well as the product total for each variance. You'll see them all there. And also down here, if you scroll down, so over here you can view, if you want to view them at the cart, you can click here and you'll view them to cart right away. If you want to remove them, you can do that. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see different other product that you can actually buy together with this product here. So let's go back on this section here. So over here you get an option to choose different options if the product has so many variants. And over here, this is just if the product doesn't have many variants, so you can just go ahead and add the product right away and it will be added on your shopping cart. And if we were to click the product, you'll see it's just this product without different variants. There's only one variant. That's why you can add a variant section right there on the product page, on the product section. So if we scroll down, you'll see many more other products. And then different down here on this section here, this is where you can shop different categories, or you can showcase different categories or different collections that are available in your store. So on this case, there is bath towels, robes, pillows, slippers, rags, and many more. And if we scroll down here, you will see these are like different brands that are available into your store. So if you have like different brands on your store, you can list them here. And on this case, they just listed Spotlight, Studio, Origin, Sings, but this is where you can put different brands that are available. And over here, you can put the call to action and the arrow show them that they can click here and they'll be taken into this specific brand where they can actually purchase these things. And if we scroll down here, you'll see different new arrivals, so you can add here your new arrival section and things like that. So over here there's like one page, and if they scroll here, they'll see like another page. As you can see here, this one is like sliding. There's like one page and 2 pages on the second page, so you can add bunch of products down here without taking too much space on the imagery, because B2B businesses are wholesale businesses, and they are all about listing, and they are not about so much visuals or videos like how we do customize our regular Shopify theme. So this theme is actually, it's all about displaying products and make it easy to buy it quickly for your customers. And one of the big advantage of this theme is you don't need to go to the product page to add item to the cart. You can just do it over here and they'll just be like added right away into your cart. And again, as I said before, like if you click here, choose options, and you can see all the other option variants that you can actually pick from. So you can add the quantities you want and add them to cart. As you can see, there is like so many of them. Okay, and then you can view the cart and things like that. And once you add them, there is another section here that will show like you can remove all, and if the variant is actually like sold out, you'll see that there. Let's try to click this. It's like pretty much the same thing as before. It's just a basic and simple product description with no much going on. Actually, the structure is just cool, minimal. And then if we scroll down here, this is a section where you can add like so many things that you want to educate people who are actually visiting your store, buying things from you. And on this case, maybe you can link here maybe different vlogs. For example, on this case it says fruit swatches, so you can click there to learn more. So these are different like swatches about the fabric and stuff like that, so your customer can get to read all of this. And yeah, and then if they're done reading this, they can click here on this arrow that's going to take them back to the other different blogs and stuff like that, that they can learn more about the products you're offering in your store. So let's go back, and if we scroll all the way down here, we have just a regular footer menu section with 3 different sections that you can add different things like about us, about the company, contact, FAQ, and things like that. And also this is the social media, and over here down there are payment methods. So the footer menu is pretty much simple, just like other just like other regular Shopify themes. So let's go back up and click here, become a wholesale partner. So when they click here, they'll be able to see what it takes to be a member for this website, because the aim of this theme, it requires people with a membership to purchase things on the website. So on the wholesale section, they have a section where you can add a banner image with their title here, so you can make it like more friendly and not just a plain blank page. So this is how the section is gonna look like. So there is a banner image section with the title, and there is also another section here with the title showing case like what you are actually offering in your wholesale membership, what will people actually get, and what will require you to purchase things from your website, maybe things like that. And then so they can read thoroughly this. And then down here, this is the sign up page, the sign up wholesale partner page, so they can put their company name, the company URL, first name, last name, and things like that. And then they can submit the form, and then you can either approve them or reject them after reviewing their sign up form. And then down here, there are frequent asked question on the wholesale section. So your customer or people who are visiting your website, they can just read thoroughly and they can get their question answered just by visiting this section. And also, yeah, if not, they can click here, contact. This is the contact form, and they can get in touch with you. And I like about the contact form because it also has a banner image section. It's not just a plain contact us page, which can be like really boring, but this is like actually like it's actually motivating. It's just so simple, minimal, and cool. I like it. And also, let's go back to the wholesale section. I think that's pretty much it. And over here, marketing resources, this is where you can add different blog posts you want your customer to know, maybe about the fabrics, or different instruction on how to handle certain products, or different colors and stuff like that they want to buy, and many more other things. I think we covered pretty much everything, and this is how your website will be looking like on the desktop, and this is also how it's gonna look like on the mobile version, which is really cool, very simple, very minimal, and things like that. So let's go back on the desktop and let's say if we add this product here. Okay, and let's view the cart. So the cart is pretty much simple. You can see all the quantity here that you added on your cart, and then if you scroll down, you'll also see different items that you can actually add. So this theme will give you this feature to recommend other different products. Like before checking out, your customer can get to browse many more other products. So as you can see, this theme is a very minimal and very simple, and you can add a bunch of products without actually taking so much space on your website. Also all about displaying products and make it easy to buy quickly for your customers. As you can see here, nothing is complicated here. It's just displaying. It's only representing about displaying products and make everything easy and smooth, just like that. And again, this store is only for members only, so it's designed for stores that require membership to purchase things. So if you want people to have membership on your store, then this theme is pretty much for you. And of course, it's for the wholesale and things like that. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked this review that I did for you. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, please let me know down below on the comment section. I'll be happy to read your comment section and your review. And if you have like anything recommendation you will want me to do it for you guys, let me know down below on the comment section as well. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.